Hey guys, content creators! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for all you Adobe Premiere Pro enthusiasts. If you're looking for the perfect laptop to power your video editing workflow, you're in for a treat. We've researched and compiled a list of the 5 best laptops that will unleash your editing potential in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump right into it. Kicking off our list is the Dell XPS 15. This laptop combines power and portability with its high-performance 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700H processor, ample 16GB RAM, and stunning 15.6-inch display. The Dell XPS 15 offers a perfect balance of performance and visual quality, making it a top choice for editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Next up, we have the MacBook Pro. Renowned for its sleek design and optimized software, the MacBook Pro is a popular choice among video editors. With its powerful M2 processor, high-resolution Retina display, and dedicated graphics, the MacBook Pro delivers a smooth and seamless editing experience in Adobe Premiere Pro. Moving on to the Asus Rog Zephyrus G14. This gaming laptop packs a punch with its powerful AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS processor and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. With a 14-inch display and an ergonomic keyboard, the Zephyrus G14 offers an immersive editing experience for Adobe Premiere Pro users on the go. Another great option is the HP Specter X360. This 2-in-1 convertible laptop boasts impressive performance and versatility. With its Intel Core i7-13700H processor, ample 32GB RAM, and a stunning 4K touchscreen display, the HP Specter X360 is a reliable choice for video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro while offering the flexibility of a tablet mode. Last but not least, we have the MSI Creator 15. Designed specifically for content creators, this laptop is a powerhouse for Adobe Premiere Pro. With its high-performance i9-13980HX processor, dedicated NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics card, and color-accurate display, the MSI Creator 15 ensures a smooth editing experience, allowing you to bring your creative vision to life. And there you have it, the 5 best laptops for Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're a professional editor or a passionate content creator, these laptops will empower you to take your video editing skills to the next level. Remember to choose a laptop that fits your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on these laptops or if you have any other recommendations for Adobe Premiere Pro users. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.